since I've done this, and I'm quite pleased I got my hands back onto it, probably because of a friend who just got one recently. But I'm back to toying with the CC01. I've changed a few things. I've gone a bit lower, smaller wheels, but let's have a look at it. So here we go. It's still on the primer from the last time when I stripped it off. As you can see, the body is back to its standard height. We got 90mm tires from Boom Racing on 1.55s. Now there's a center cap that goes here. I have them somewhere. These tires are pretty good. They're pretty soft and squishy. But that's not the really major issues. Not the major issues, but that's not really what I want to show you. So here, let's take the cap off. Alright, so starting from the front, you can see I cut the block off. This was a brand new chassis that I purchased to basically start fresh. So I basically cut the front block off and added a aluminum skid plate, which is epoxied from the inside. As you can see, all that shiny stuff there. Standard body mounts, front and rear. But wait, what's this? What the hell is going on here? Two things are going on here. 3D printed rear bracket for 90mm shocks. You can actually put shorter ones too, because there's a few mounting holes here. But I have the 90mm shocks here, allowing you to really maximize any movement, and it really gets the wheels into the wheel wells. I have a Holmes Hobbies 27 turn 550 motor. Now generally you would find the servo here, but what's it doing over there? Oh, let's have a look. So see, the servo's mounted all the way in the back. You get a steering link that goes all the way over there underneath my 3D printed skid plate, which is pretty much the best clearance you'll ever get on a CC01, as you can see here. And so the steering link goes all the way to the front. And then I got my specialized CC01 only steering extensions, which, look at that steering. So you can see as I turn the front wheel, the back servo turns as well. Here's a better look at one of those steering links, which I do sell, by the way. They're currently not in stock. I'm currently in the process of having some new ones made. Should be a couple of weeks, maybe 2 weeks or so before I get them. And I also have a 4-link setup for the rear diff. If they haven't made her look this way, how well you can see that. So yeah, quite a few little changes. Standard Gpm shocks in the front. It's funny that, Tamiya and Gpm, or whoever makes parts for these, state these as 70mm shocks, but in reality they're not, because the bottom link is quite long, and it doesn't give you the full extension of 70mm shock would normally give you. But it's plenty of flex for the front anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But for the rear, I wanted really to maximize the flex. And that's pretty much what is going to be the new CC01. Now I'm hoping it's going to be as good, if not better, than the last one I made, because I really liked the last one. And I'm hoping it will really be up to par. So look forward to seeing this little guy running soon, as I'm almost finished. All I really have left to do is maybe fine tune the suspension a little bit, install all the electronics, set up. I'm not sure what I'm going to run, 2 or 3S with the 27 turn Holmes Hobbies motor. The body, I'm considering a pearl silver with a flat black flares, maybe even bumpers. I'm not sure yet. It'll go with the tires when the wheels, not the tires, but it'll go with the wheels, which are all black. And let's hope the CC01 bug goes out again. So I'm going to put a link in the description for those steering arms. And I'm telling you, it's probably the best upgrade you're going to put on your CC01. Hands down, the best upgrade. Maybe I'm full of myself, but I don't think so. So far, the people that have installed these are very, very pleased with them. So look for that link in the description and get yourself a set. They're really not expensive. So have fun.